Gotta make sure I don't share something that should not be shared. All right. All right, are we live everywhere? Are we live or are we not? I think we are. Okay. So today, what are we working on today? My screen is a bit weird. It's pretty wide, so I need to manage that, I think. Hold on. And a bunch of other things. We're gonna get to coding shortly. What is this? Okay, clear. All right, I need to focus on today. Today, I think I'll be doing filters and a blog. So I'm moving a blog back from WordPress to my own backend, and we'll see whether that will work or not. Okay, search filters is number one on the list. I would like my sticky pads. All right, what else do we have in here? Some organization mode. What else can I do today? Newsletter, sync mailing list, Akinator, no. Redirects and front end. Remove SPR. No, I don't think this will happen today. Anyway, so let's see what we have running locally. Is anyone viewing this? I think 0 viewers so far. No, I don't know. Let's see. So there was this dude who recommended to add okay, too many messages. Someone recommended to add filters to CryptoJava list, which is not a new idea, obviously, but I think it's been something that super overdue. Hold on. All right. Filters. Where's this guy? People inviting me to join this Clubhouse room, a friend of mine. but I'm not sure I'll be able to join since I committed to doing some streaming. Clubhouse is never ending, FOMO. All right, let's do it. So what are we adding? We're adding filters. Okay, super ugly right now. I'm thinking around what's the best way to do it. Oh, wow, it's restoring. You need to have some sort of thing that will open up filters. Maybe I'll add a button right here somewhere next to location button, so it looks much neater. Yeah, I think that's what I will do. Can someone comment? Maybe to see if comments work. All right. So wait, hold on. I wanted to open up this. What did I want to open up? I wanted to open up. This dude replied with a lot of like recommendations for filtering, the way filtering should be done on CryptoJobs list. Let's see. Where was it? I think this is the thread somewhere. So Alessandro Massi is recommending. Hold on. Why am I not? Why I want to open that tweet? Oh, here we go. What is he recommending me to do? Alessandro Massi. Hold on, I need to send to him. Rich. So basic filtering. But where's the tweet with filtering recommendations? Job search filters. Basic. I asked him this question. Where is it? Check. No, I think this is not the one. More replies. Where is it? One tweet. God damn it. I'm trying to find where his recommendations for tweets are. So I'll comment this. Bomber peak, exactly. Thanks, Waitia. That's exactly where I'm aiming at. Happy Friday. Hold on. We're trying to find where's this guy. This dude added. Where's his tweet about filters? Filters. So I'll give credit where credit is due. Damn. And my laptop, of course, is not helping because, like, you know, with OBS running in the background, it's not, you know, it sounds like a fighter jet taking off. Pum, pum, pum. I thought it, wait, where is this? Filters. Anyway, I think I should comment somewhere below here. Coding. Ooh. All right. So I'm still trying to find his tweet with a list of his top recommendations for filters. So far, they look super ugly. Of course, they have to look ugly. But I think this needs to be like some sort of a panel where it can like expand over time, so I can, like, you know, add more filtering positions. And I think filtering options right now is definitely not performant because it's React Dev. It's not production React. All right, so I think first we want to move this filter. I cannot even click it. It's so bad. Filter button somewhere. All right. Oops. Okay, so I was in the middle of. So this is the search bar. I moved search bar to this dedicated component, and hold on. Things are running. By the way, if you guys comment, the comments should appear in this like left section of the screen, and I should be able to reply as well. I should have made my screen wider. Filters. Sexy purple gradient. That's the name of my styles file for this sexy purple gradient for this thing. Very important. How do I make my thing float? Appearance. Wow. Always on top. There we go. So if you cannot see, Wazy mentioned that I'm reaching Balmer's peak. Yes, that's exactly the goal. Pum, 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 pum. filter button. So cursor pointer. We want to move this there. Margin top -5. I think we want to absolute search filters top right 0, no, right 1 EM, top -2 EM. Oops. Are we moving? Okay, making some progress. Fantastic. And then we want a background color. Actually, no background color. This will be black border. 1px solid. EB is one of my favorite colors. Favorite colors you know, just because it's in Russian, it sounds super funny. EB. I hope my parents are not watching. I hope, but they very likely are. Color black. Filter. Oops. Filters plus filters. Underscore decoration filters. I think we want to do this 333, and this we can do 555 and top -3. And are we making progress? Right, maybe 2. Okay, my this is definitely not the best tutorial on how to do. Oops. Okay, something's working. This is not a elite version of how to do CSS styling, because that's something I think I'm definitely making a lot of suboptimal decisions, to say the least. But yeah, what do you guys think? Should I keep this filter button here? Yeah, I should do. I think we should just make it like maybe 9 and 9. Oops. Yeah, the theme of this will be definitely reaching Balmer's Peak. Thank you, Mr. Alessandro. I think I should have. Yeah, I think I need to be streaming more often, and I wish I could be more writing more code and like doing less admin, because I've been doing a lot of admin lately. Let's send this to Alejandro. I think at least I need to do margin top maybe 3 EM. Good. Come on, update. No. Jeez. This should be margin top. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It's moving now. 3, maybe 3.5. Update. There we go. Wow, things are super slow. I think why is this though? My CSS is definitely super suboptimal, but AAA. Let's try AAA, and this will border should be AAA. Should be a bit like dimmer, but this will keep it to like. No, I think it needs to be even dimmer. ABBBB. BBB. And I think this should be like hover background color See, even auto suggest is not working. Background color, let's do, now is my favorite color, EBB. Come on, let's do it. Yes. Man, yeah, sort of, kind of. No, I think it should be like you. Anyway, I think this should suffice for a screenshot for Alessandro. I really hope that I'm not butchering his name, but I might be. What do you think? Is Alessandro, is he Italian? I'm not sure. If he is, he should know that I'm drinking Italian champagne, which is Prosecco. I learned recently that that's what it is. That's Prosecco is Italian champagne. Don't quote me on that, but that's what people say. All right, filters. I think one of the challenges is that, like, I think I need to fix this performance issue. Is basically I have this like changing. See, it's like it's changing. What's it called? Placeholder text, and this placeholder text, I'm like the change happens on like very high level, like very top, very high in a DOM hierarchy. So like this whole object is changing. The whole component is changing. You can see that there is an update, even though like it has nothing to do with this at all. Like I need to be just updating, I think, just this field. I'm not sure why it's changing, because it's changing on, there we go, yeah. This should not be happening. Yeah, so these should not be changing, but they are changing, which is not really good. But I think I'm already reaching Bomber's Peak. Fuck, this is not good. Alright, so this is not right. This should be, what are we doing now? Hold on, first of all, search placeholder. This thing should not even use geolocation, use jobs. Search placeholder. I need to export search. I wonder, I just coded this earlier today, really in a super half-assed way, so I'm not even sure if that's gonna work or not. Search bar. So we wanna, like, this search placeholder. This is the like input. So I think what we want to do here is basically we want to have a search component, no, not filters component, but like search input component. Search input with placeholder, with the dynamic placeholder. Search input with dynamic placeholder. What am I doing here? It's like the longest component name I ever written. It reminds me of, like, you know, those jokes with like some factory joke about what's it called, with you know, from Java world. I never programmed Java. Okay, maybe I programmed Java in like university or something. Yeah, so this is what it reminds me of. Const. Oh, it's not const. It's like, or is it const? Const. Search place. Search. I cannot type. Okay, I'm already done. Search placeholder. Use. I would be surprised if this is actually going to work. And I need to like search keywords. Search keywords on. Okay, and what are we doing here? Handle focus. This, right? So all these three things we want to pass in here, and I'll be passing it in like this super fancy way, and let's see how this will fail. Oh, it didn't. I'm genius, right? But not so fast, because we can see that there is an error right here. Is anyone watching? No one's watching. No one cares. I think you need to be drop-down menu rather than radio buttons after clicking filter. Can you enable any filter on date from 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month? Yeah, filters on date might be possible. Right now, all the jobs basically are from a month ago, and I think some, like, we show older jobs for positions that are between 1 month and 2 month old. Okay. One second, I'm sharing my Twitch link. Haha. Oh, sorry, I need to update the tile. Live coding on crypto jobs list. Live coding filter. All right, I think this should be updated now. Okay, so much progress. So this is the only field that is being updated, but the downside is that the CSS got screwed up. It's unacceptable. Unacceptable, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Why is that? Search bar, search bar, search input. Why is that? What am I doing wrong? Why does it think that? Shouldn't like value, placeholder value, input, on key up? Okay, everything's, all boxes are checked. Why is it search placeholder? But if I kill this and put this back, type text. Right, I think so. So I think the form field is passing the text value through some like whatever semantic UI injection stuff. So I think this is like name term, a type, text. So how do I pass properties that this thing injects into this Mr. It is? I think I just want to do a name, term, type. I cannot type text. So let's see. All right, huge success, at least from. It doesn't even work. What am I doing with my life? Search keyword. Yeah, I think I should be passing like this whole thing in, and handle keyword, this thing too, right? And input, form control input, yes. So let's pass this to. All right, everyone's. I think there are 0 people watching right now. No, everyone left. Maybe not. I don't know. No, I think there are a few people watching. So we're gonna move this over to right here, and oops. Huge success. Nice. Okay, perfect. It's working. Solidity. Definitely everything's working except for my hands. I wonder if Facebook banned me yet, because they typically identify different like copyright infringement in music, and they're like, no, you cannot do this. Oh, no. Okay. almost overflowed. Wow, friends making history. Anyway, back to work. Filters. I think this is too high. Wow. All right. So what do we have here? So first, we'll need to check if our replacing works. Okay. Now we need to find out which components are being updated. There we go. So this is the only component that should be getting changes. Everything else should not be getting. Why? Why is this happening? Anyway, okay. So we move this handle search placeholder. Okay, perfect. This thing we want to eliminate search placeholder altogether. Search placeholder, and I think we don't even wanna. We wanna like search placeholder. We wanna like not even export it, right? No. So pages index. Search bar. So I don't think we want to be passing it here. We don't want to even pass it here. So router and search query, right? Does it get any better? Sorry, I'm doing some like boring performance optimization for now. It's all for you guys, for my lovely users. So please, forgive me for the boring. I've heard someone, like some wise dude said, like, if you're not boring, are you even serious? And, well, I guess like what's another quote? Most stupid mistakes are done with a serious face. So I think sometimes being more fun is much better. Higher ROI on that, not being fun. Wow, this is like my CPU is through the roof, is it? Yep, look at this madness. Oh, because OBS is taking like, you get your latest Mac. Oh, hello. Vadim, hi Vadim. How did I learn coding? It's been so long ago that I do not even remember. I think in high school I was doing some like Pascal courses in high school, and then I think in uni I did computer science, but I think most of the coding is just you pick it up yourself, because unis don't really. Maybe unis today teach you like JavaScript and stuff, or like Python or like C. But I think with JavaScript, I think I just picked it up by myself, and then of course on the job as well. But I guess like for me, it's been 10 years of JavaScript. think, yeah, something like that. I feel I'm old. Good question though, Vadim. Thanks for writing in. All right, filters. So okay, this is working more or less. I think I need to see the diff. So there is search placeholder. Position relative, search filter is relative, and then within that we'll do margin top, search filter is relative. So here we're exporting use search location, const. Handle keyword change, so okay, so now filters, button. Is it gonna update? Okay, here we go. Minor update. Is this exactly in the middle, I wonder? I think it's not. Do you want to make border radius? Where's my border radius? My favorite border radius, 100%. Wow. This looks pathetic. Let's see. Hello. What is this on? Border radius. How about border radius 1? Are you serious? What? There we go, much better. Filters. I'm not sure how people who stream, like, what machines do they have? Do they have like absolute like beast machines that are, I don't even know, like, what do they have? Beefed up machines that let them code without even noticing that they're streaming. Around or I think 1 AM. BCC. Maybe I'll do background, like background. FA. No, I think the background color and hover should be like brand color, brand blue, like this. But like, hold on. Come off. Well, hold on. What did I really mean by this? RGBA 0.1. Is it any better now? What's border radius? No, I think this looks like crap. This color. I think it just needs to like not background color, but instead we need to just make like the border radius, the border and the color itself a bit like pop. right? Let's see. Come on. And maybe, oh yeah, something like that. 555, 99 box, shadow, let's say 0px, 2px, 10px, and then wow, this is so incremental. But you know, this, oh, here we go, now we're talking. But yeah, I think it's still rather ugly. Need to make like some, I feel like I'm spending disproportionate amount of time on what button? Disproportionate amount of time on what button? Oh my god. Filters. Is this what people do? Filters? Oh my. So, okay, now we need to figure out why is, hold on. So first of all, like this thing has a huge padding at the bottom. Why is it huge? Margin bottom. No one knows why is it huge. Even with that, so margin is still 1, REM 0, and then this thing, this needs to have like margin top minus 3 EM. So if we remove this, why is this? What am I doing here? What am I doing with my life? What's going on? This should be not. Shouldn't be this bad. Oh right, margin top. I see my mistake. Or do I? There we go, margin top. No margin top. Much better. A little bit, I guess, better. Not a lot, but a little bit. Let's also use the margin top, no margin top here. Margin bottom. So I feel margin bottom should be like moved to the filter section, right? Margin bottom, margin. Oh, what? This is margin bottom? Second, you need to check, very important to check Twitter from your phone. Okay. So, where are we? What, did something happen? Did someone comment? No, nothing happened. No one commented. How sad that is. So this is the padding. Like, do not do this at home, kids. This is like not the best CSS practice whatsoever. How is this even possible for this to act this way? So, all right, let's try this. Margin. Everything looks good. Thanks, Meichi. Thank you. Everything looks good. Could look better, I know. Margin. Meichi. Margin bottom, margin top, margin right. Why is this? Hold on. So basically, I'm looking at what I'm looking at. Where's this margin coming from again? Margin 1. Oh, it's like just a segment margin. So if we disable this, it's gonna go up. So margin bottom here needs to go like to 0 or something. Sexy purple gradient. That is what it is. Sexy purple gradient. All right. Margin bottom 0. There we go. Look at this. Breakthrough. Technological breakthrough. Filters. Bam. We are nailing it. Filters. This thing. Okay, so now the actual filters. The actual filters. Margin top. What if I'll do 1 EM? Will this push everything down? No, I think it shouldn't. Fuck it. Wow, my computer is so slow. It's like, why is it change? Well, like, how do I even like debug to understand like what's causing this? What causes this re-render? I think maybe I should do like padding top. Will this help me? Will this save my life? Yeah, I don't know. Yes, I'll take that. But now I need to make this into like, you know, emojis everywhere, of course. Emojis everywhere, should be everywhere. So should I make this like border, like bottom remote? Hold on. Okay, so where are we? Box shadow. Do we want a box shadow here? Nah, I guess it's gonna be too much complexity. Like visual noise. No one likes visual noise, right? Alright, so we have this. Filters and set filters. Filters should not be check what, like, why is this re-render happens? This should not be like, why is it re-rendering the whole thing? It's re-rendering, it looks like it's linked to the same cadence as change of the placeholder, right? See, it happens at the same time. I see that's the only like thing that happens at the same time that I see. So I think it should be related somehow, but I'm not even passing this. I don't understand why is it happening, because I'm not even passing this property into like almost anywhere. I'm not passing it. Like this is where it's at. So filters, set filters. Oops. Come on, no, this is not the thing that I'm trying to trigger. God. Okay, I got much better. All right, let me come into my new friend Alessandro. All right, what do I think about this? What about displaying a drop-down menu rather than a radio buttons after clicking filter? Drop-down menu. And can you enable any filter on date? 1 week, 1 month. Imho, drop-downs is super annoying. And not scalable. You know, you need to plug in, you know, to sound smart in any startup or tech meeting, you need to like, you know, can this scale? And you instantly think that, that, you know, everyone thinks that you're smart. Add more filters. So I think like with the drop-down approach, I think we will not be able to, like, they will not scale, because, like, you know, drop-down, they're like, you know, they're very narrow. They're usually kind of temporary on the screen on the UI, and they would like kind of disappear very fast. Or like, it's, you know, if those that disappear when you move your mouse away, it's pretty annoying, because, like, you know, they would just disappear, and like people super annoying when, like, you know, you click a tab and then you move your mouse away and it kind of, you know, hides. Yeah, like this. So it like hides. Yeah. Like, so now the question is about, like, can you enable any filter on date vacancies from the last 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month? Should be able to add date filters. Did you envision something else? Should be able to add date filters. Yes, should be able to add date filters. I guess. I feel like maybe I'm not fully resonating with the date filters though, but I mean like shouldn't be. I mean it's kind of like an obvious feature I think. Like okay. I wonder how flexible should they be, like how granular. Like should they be like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month? How okay. It might be hard to use. Let's use shorter words. Hard to use. All right, let's check what's in the DMs. But you know, to maintain privacy. All right. Well, first thing first. First, we think we need to like add emojis everywhere, of course, because you know priorities. So priorities. Let's see. No, hold on. First, we need to like commit this stuff, whatever I've done so far. Let's see what we've done so far. Use place. So this is use jobs. Use search placeholder. So we refactored that. Oops. So we moved out search placeholder. Improved some placeholder. Git commit. Git. Oops, git add hooks, git commit, refactored search placeholder hook, and then what else did we do? Search placeholder, use sexy gradient. What is this? Oh right, okay, so this is very different. This is like bidding view. Oops, src company is speeding me. This is completely unrelated. Git commit, improved, updated copy on ether scan copy on bidding view. All right, what else are we doing here? Search placeholder, improved filters button, I guess. Improved job filter button. All right, huge success, unbelievable. much success. What's going on? Git commit prefetching job or image job publish. Oops. Git push. My typo rate is terrible, right? All right, what are we having here? Ship more. All right, what do we have here? So filters. Kind of all right, I guess. So hold on, let's see what this thing does. So if I change, will everything re-render? I think everything will re-render once I click the button, right? Yeah. Wow, the performance of this is it's the worst. All right, so CSS. So I think we need to pay in crypto job form. So, oh my God, this is so slow. We pay in crypto. So we need a search bar icon. Okay, we have an icon. We pay in crypto. Pays paid in crypto. RIP English. Remote. Visa sponsor. This is so paid relocation. I think one of the challenges is that these emojis are definitely not looking well on the platforms full time. So employment, wait, where's this coming from? Fuck, this is crazy. I think it's somewhere in constants. I have constants. Yeah, I have constants. Look at this. Look what I've got here. Full time. Bam. Contractor. You want contractor jobs? We have them. Intern jobs? We also have them. Right? Okay, let's see. Wow, this is taking. Look at this. This took forever to update. Okay, this looks like a circus a little bit, but I guess one day this will look great. Maybe I should like add. I really hate this visual complexity that like platforms add, but maybe, just maybe, just maybe, I should be able to like. Let's see, what should I be able to do? Filter board, border 1px. So this should go here first of all. Border border bottom left radius, border bottom right radius. Magic. Wow. Ugliness, not magic. Ugliness, that's the definition of this. This is border. Why is this so ugly? Border bottom right. Rag. Did I spell it incorrectly? All right. Lol. This looks awful, right? Look at this. So margin. Where's our margin? Margin 0 1 em. Can this be any worse? Can this be any worse? Maybe padding? No, padding will not help us. Padding. 1 em padding will make things only. What do I do? No, I think you know what I do? Padding top left 0. Right 1 em. Left 1 em. Left. Position relative display block width. What about absolute position? Yeah, that's what we're looking for. No, this is not what we're looking for. This is not what we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. Position of this should be relative, and position of that should not be relative. Yeah, I suppose that I will like I'm not exactly sure how it's the best way to like. Oh, I do know. So we can do padding 0 1 em, right? See, you saw this? And here we'll do, where's margin? Margin top minus 1 px. And no, I think we'll just need to do border top none. Yeah, kind of something like that, I guess. Yeah, I guess there's too much visual noise. And on top of it, I think we want to do like, we want to make sure that the class name is like plus like, let's see, if this is plus open, 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 otherwise it's like that. So this should change to, did it update? Oh wow, look at this. I broke it. What a disaster. Filter button. Oh, no. I know what I need to do. So instead of open and close, we need to do something like, sorry, I mean like, yeah, of course it's open and close, duh. But like if it's open, we need to like show this X, and if it's closed, it's like this plus. All right, not as beautiful as expected. Okay, maybe like let's start with the minus because X needs to be centralized. ASCII X mark. All right, some new notifications. ASCII center align X. Okay, this is not what I was looking for. Whatever. Maybe this looks good. Plus minus filters. But you know, we want to be fancy. We want to like, there we go. Look at this. This takes forever to load though. And I think select none, I guess we need to do here because it's like, it's super annoying. Select user select none, so it's not annoying. So because you know it's button, you don't want to like really select it. There we go. Sort of kind of working, I guess. Okay, it's still a mystery to me why this is like refreshing every time, you know, this placeholder changes and this thing changes too. This should not be happening. Or is it not related? There just seems to be like a delay or something. Shh, big questions in life. Very big questions in life. Very big questions in life. Maybe what if use form, no, use jobs, and we created this thing called search placeholder, right? So wait, what? So this is chronological, right? Search placeholder. We don't need this here. Sir, hold on. Search placeholder. We don't need this duplicacy because that's the thing that we're exporting, right? So we want to refactor this to search placeholder, but because we're not even okay. So this is the actual use search placeholder, and this is the outdated search placeholder. Do you want to like? I'm happy to like even just delete this, right? Because I mean this used to be the case, but we don't need it, right? Please work. Please be efficient. Opening up filters. And the moment of truth. It's not working. I can already see it. It's not working. Moment of truth. Look at this. Oh, is it working? Is it updating? Okay. It's working. It is working. So yeah, basically what I was trying to achieve is like to prevent these from re-rendering, and it is not re-rendering anymore. So this is fascinating. So it's like it's huge. It's a huge improvement in performance. Yeah, kids, make sure that you know this because you know front-end performance can save you money, make you money. That's what we're after, right? It's not about saving money. It's about making money. You cannot make a lot of money by saving them. Right. All right. Next step. Hold on. Did I succeed? We want to commit something. Use placeholder. Search placeholder. What's going on? It feels like there was comment somewhere, but I'm not sure. Placeholder. Okay, so let's see if the actual performance is excuse me, any better. All right, look at this almost instant feedback cycle. All right, spend money to make money. Correct. Thank you for listening, Miss May. All right, so Sir Alessandro is suggesting us to add more Prosecco to my glass. Almost rhymed. Cheers. Cheers. Bellissimo, as I say, right? Spend money to make money. All right, how do we... I think this is LinkedIn, right? So like, let's try to go LinkedIn. I should be drinking more water. Bought a lot of sticky notes. Super topic. That's what I use for task management. Sticky notes, right? It's amazing. The best evolutionary update to humankind is sticky notes. And I can do some SMR video, ASMR videos. Okay, so let's search for jobs on LinkedIn. And steal. Did you hear me? We will steal their shameless to steal their search. My jobs, job alerts, skill assertments, more. Interview prep, resume builder. Wow. I feel so intimidated by this. Manage job posts, post free job. Cake job searches. Did I search for this? I don't remember searching for that. Recommended for you. What just happened? Looks like I'm eating. I've got a comment. Looks like I'm eating from an invisible packet. Am I eating from an invisible packet? Let me check. Oh, indeed, it is invisible. Because it's like a green packet with chips. It is invisible. Cool. I should use it as a prop. All right, training instructional designer, and you can bookmark them, right? Okay. Anyway, so let's say. No, I'm not even gonna search for solidity jobs on LinkedIn. I think I'll be depressed right away. I don't want to know what's the results on there. Let's say JavaScript. Let's see JavaScript. So like if I feel that my project is a failure, I can apply for these jobs and or maybe I'll just like look at the salary that they offer and hope that I will feel just that I will feel that what am I doing with my life? That's how I should feel. Let's see. Can I remove this? But no, I think I can. Because I'm definitely underutilizing my headrest. I should be utilizing it fully. Alright, how are we doing here? Alright, some views. Alright, so date posted. I see anytime past month, 24 hours, experience level. But it's okay, so I see where Alessandro is coming from in terms of he really is looking at what LinkedIn has to offer, but I'm not sure if he's if he's offering it based on LinkedIn added remote. Wow, amazing. After the years of being like right, under 10 applicants. That's an interesting feature. Maybe I should do like under 10 applicants. All right. All right, so how do we filters? I think I drank half a bottle of Prosecco, so I think I should I should stop by now. I should stop. What am I doing with my life? Okay, so where are we going? Grid. We need to make some process. Checkbox. We have some checkboxes here. Label. Unchanged. Do we really need unchanged here? I wonder. Props. We don't want to export more props. Filters. Checkbox. Unchanged. I don't think I should be passing this unchanged thing here. Right? It should work on its own. Yeah, I shouldn't be even passing that. So onChange should be coming from here, right? Format document, segment filters. However, imho, very important to say that. I think, wow, it's such a garbage language. I think the fewer clicks, the better, though. Makes sense. I'll see if I can use radio buttons instead of drop down for some of these filters. To save clicks. Well, I feel like I'm a bit tipsy to ask this question. Should I even be asking this question? I wonder if Alessandro is asking, is like making these recommendations based on like his actual like intrinsic need to filter the jobs on Gripster job list based on those filters, based on those filtering categories, or is he asking because that's what his like search experience with LinkedIn is? So he like really refers to LinkedIn. I'm not like, I wonder. That's what I wonder. All right. Are you suggesting this filter is based on your experience? No, I think this is gonna be a very long tweet. Okay, and the second reply, I'll need to reply to this. Any experience with LinkedIn, or because you genuinely want to filter based on would want to genuinely or because you genuinely want to filter jobs that way. I feel and we have a chance to set a new excellence benchmark. Excellence benchmark. Excellence bar. And I think we have a chance to raise the bar. Here. Rocket, my favorite emoji, one of my favorite emojis. ASCII because I think IMHO LinkedIn is a pretty bad UX benchmark, and we have a chance to raise the job search bar. All right, commented. All right, this tweet is blowing. Sorry, so complete off topic. Complete off topic. Complete off topic. What? What? Am I on the right Wi-Fi? Okay, I'm on the right Wi-Fi. This is blowing up. You know what this is? This is Nick Mudge Abigachi. I'm not sure what he has to do with Abigachi. Whatever. Smart contract developer standards FEAP 2535. Whatever that is. What is the number one rule of? This is the number one rule of crypto. Okay, of course, DeFi Dad must come. You know, I must like DeFi Dad. You know, I like DeFi Dad. He's got. I haven't watched his videos in a while, but I must watch, I guess. Wait, don't get wrecked. Well, yeah, it's a pretty good rule. Yeah. Sorry, this stream is so like. 25. Test your wallet private keys backups regular. Test your wallet private keys. Wait, what? Test your wallet's private keys backups regular. How do you even test them? How exactly do you test your backups, your key? I feel like I feel people will be like, what a noob, asking a question like this. I don't mind. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Can you hear my mind? What's going on? Okay, so back in business. Self filters. I think this is good enough. Should this be smaller? Okay, this thing is flying around. Maybe it should add like a slide, you know, like a super slide. Shadow, ZX, 10px, FA. Let's the truth. Let the. Let's see. What do I look at this? Hold on. Hover. All right, hover. It's not our team. AAA. What's going on? Box shadow. AAA. BBB. Maybe BBB. CCC. CCC sounds like very not bad enough. Oh my god, my shoulders. I'm not sure why am I like. I don't want to stream. I'm like doing some random stuff. I think I'm trying too hard to be in. And I think another thing that I don't like is wait, hold on, animate. No, transition. So, box shadow. What's next? So, support timidism tracks. There we go. Wow, look at this. What time is it? Oh, it's like 10. Okay, so the downside of this approach is that like I really hate, I think a lot of people hate, and it's the really pretty, you know, shifty content. But I guess maybe it is alright. I don't know. Is this alright? Maybe it's not alright. Hold on. Why is it? It's not responding. So all filters. I haven't clicked here yet. Wow, look at this. So a title, we can filter by title, by job function. Information technology. This is a bullshit. Marketing. Okay, maybe not bullshit. Job function. Okay, it might be useful. Title. JavaScript development. Yeah, okay, fine. But this could be aggregated in just like a keyword search. Job doing industry. Banking. Sure. Okay, location. This is very, yes, like location specific jobs. But I guess people, white collar people and like, you know, tech people, they don't really care about this. Remote. That's what tech people care about. And job type is something tech people care about. Company. Job careers. Interesting. How to sort by relevancy versus sort by recency. Urgency by sort by date posted. Urgency. The urgency is gonna be like desperate the company is, like, or how much they paid for. Yeah, I think that should be like a, you know, companies will be happy with that. But comments, it depends how you cannot. Is this related? Hold on. Oh, I see. You should tell me. So this is going to be saved for tomorrow. I should be finishing soon. All right, so let's see, blockchain jobs. Filters. Does it, hold on, very important. How does it look on mobile? This looks terrible on mobile. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my fucking god. No one's gonna use this on mobile. Wow. I think in mobile I'll just hide this. Ouch. This is not what I would want to be doing. Display none. This is danger. Danger. Mobile updates. Display none. It disappeared. Holy moly, guacamole. Or maybe, hold on. I should, I'm on Twitch after all. I need to like spice up my hair. Maybe I should do margin, right, 0.5 EM. On Twitch, on internet, you need to like, just stand out, right? So, background, white. Looks kind of ugly. Yeah, looks pretty ugly. Also on mobile, this should look much better, right? Oh my god, look at this. Look. This is margin bottom, right? On mobile, this should not even exist. Where did we even do margin bottom? Margin bottom, margin. Bottom. I see margin bottom, margin bottom 0 view height. Nice. Maybe just 0. And the same thing here, margin top and margin bottom should be 0. Plus filters. Filters, maybe like, this thing should be like smaller. No, but I think then I don't even know. Font size 0.5 EM. Maybe this will this like even. Okay, let's see how. Oh my god! Look filters. Kind of, sort of, maybe works. Maybe this we can be this like top -4 EM. I need to be going, guys, soon, pretty soon, pretty soon. Filters -7. Thanks for watching, though. I really appreciate that. -6.5. Not 65, 6.5. Okay, I think I should like actually like do this. And like, -6 EM. I think the gods of design will like destroy me here. 6.1, right, 1.2 EM. Oh my god, this is pretty ugly. I'm not proud of this at all. I'm also like stretching my filters. Maybe what if I'll do like -1 EM? Will this on mobile? Will this be ugly or very ugly? I feel this will be like very ugly on a scale from 0 to 10. Filters. This is terrible, right? Like, who does this? I think I was considering adding like a button right here in the bottom, and maybe that would be like, you know, you click here in the middle and it like just like drops down, because right now it's sort of, I don't know. Okay. Well, I feel it's getting late. I'm yawning. Terrible. Margin. So I should, you know, it should be mobile first instead of like desktop first. Margin bottom 1 EM. Let's see. This is add anything? Yeah, sort of, kind of, you know, fixes things a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. Filters. Top minus 2.3 maybe. Yeah, okay, for now I'll just like keep it, I'll just remove it on mobile altogether. Comments, people commenting. All right. All right, so for now, I think we kind of sort of maybe done with the visuals. Okay, maybe I should, maybe I should like pad this, not pad this, but like, you know, I should like put this in columns. Flexbox. I feel like over the years, Flexbox existed several years now, and I think I have not mastered it, and I still have not mastered it. It's such a shame. Shame on me. I should finally master it. Okay, and it's almost 11 p.m., so I think I'll be heading out. Friday night is definitely not the best time for streaming because, you know, people are chilling. People are chilling. Margin right and margin bottom. Bottom. I had a long day. I'm even yawning. Terrible, right? All right, paid in crypto. This looks. All right. I think on this note, I'll probably gonna be doing more of these streams more often. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for using Crypto Jobs List. Please go to cryptojobslist.com. Cryptojobslist.com. And yeah, make sure it works. Oh, sorry, it does work. Just make sure, you know, apply to jobs. We'd love to see your support, guys. Yeah, you're amazing. Thank you. Enjoy the weekend too. I'm gonna be showing off, switching off, hopping off. Thank you.